So now let's get into the fun part. We're going to install a theme. So what you want to do is go over here to Appearance on the left hand side and then click on Themes. Alright, so currently it should say 2020, and obviously if you want to change it back to here, you can simply click over here and activate these other themes as well. However, we're going to go down here below and click on Add New Theme, and also you can click up here as well. It doesn't really matter as long as you click Add New Theme. And then we're going to go here and click on Search Themes. And now we're going to go and type in Ocean WP and hit enter. And now we're going to click on here and then click on Install. Then all you have to do is click Activate. Alright, perfect. So now we have our theme installed. And if you wanted to change your theme anytime throughout this course, you can go through here, add a new theme, and then simply hover over it and click on Activate. And there you go. And then also we can go here and click on Visit Site. So let me visit site and see how it currently looks. So this is what it looks like now since we have nothing uploaded, but it looks a little different than the previous theme we had earlier. And then I'll show you how to edit this and customize this in the next videos. So let's go back actually to the dashboard. And now in order to edit this, we're going to be using a plugin called Elementor. So let's go over here to Plugins, click on Add New. And now what you want to go here and click on Search Plugins on the top right, and then type in Elementor. Alright, so now we can see here Elementor Page Builder. So now we're going to go and click on Install Now. And as you can see, it is extremely popular and multiple people in the world use this. So over 3+ million active installs as I'm filming this video. And then just simply click on Activate. Alright, perfect. So now we have Elementor installed. So let's go back to the Plugins tab, click on Add New again, and type in Elementor one more time. And now let's install the essential add-ons for Elementor as well. And then simply click Activate again. Awesome, perfect. Now notice that they also have a premium version, so you can go pro as well. And I'll include links down below where you can access that to see the additional features, and also make another video showcasing you the power of Elementor Pro version. But for right now, we're just going to stick with the free version right here. And now let's install one more plugin, and that one is Ocean Extra. So there's additional ones we can install here as well. So if you'd like, we could click here and click on Begin Installing Plugins. So just click here and simply go over here, install, and then apply. So it looks like the plugin activation failed. So let's go and check on plugins and go to install plugins really quick. You can simply skip this if you like, and then return to dashboard here as well. So let's go back to plugins and then go back to installed plugins. Let's go down here to Ocean Extra, and it looks like it's actually activated. So we're looking good right now. So I guess that was just an error on their part. So perfect. So now let's go into the designing of the website.